My name is Elli Cloots. I am a Vice Chair of the Ghent Workgroup and I am Product Marketing Manager with EFI. As a Vice Chair, I try to keep an eye on all of the committees and all of the subcommittees' work. There's of course quite a number of subcommittees. For example, there's a specification subcommittee that writes the actual specifications. But to write a good specification, you need advice from the color management subcommittee, who will then create, for example, a list of ICC profiles that can be used as an output intent and will give advice to the specification subcommittee to be able to complete that. The packaging subcommittee will base itself as much as possible on the specification subcommittee guidelines, but will change whatever is needed for that market, where they'll take input from the market, they'll take input from brand owners, packaging producers, etc., to make sure that that specification is aligned with what they actually need. For EFI, the benefit is really, well, Ghent Workgroup has always worked from the industry and has always taken the industry and the advice of the industry. A lot of the association advice is taken from the Ghent Workgroup. And what we want to do there is learn about the industry, take a lot of that information and knowledge, and use that, of course, to the benefit of our customers to make sure we implement solutions that are usable for the market. Now, that set aside, the Ghent Workgroup has already created a lot of very valuable things, has like I said, color management specifications, it has pre-flight specifications. What we're looking to do is also contribute to the Ghent Workgroup and give something back by working with the Ghent Workgroup to also make specifications for the wide format industry, for the digital industry, cut sheet and inkjet, and to be able to work around specifications more in that direction, because that is definitely an area that's not been tapped that much by the Ghent Workgroup yet. Well, I would say come and see how it works. Join one of our meetings, join two of our meetings as an observer. It's free of charge. You can come and see the work of the subcommittees. It can get very technical, very in-depth, very heavy discussions, a lot of knowledge in the room. And if you see that working, I think it's you'll see that it's a very valuable committee to be part of. Well, I just got re-elected today as Vice Chair, so that's already a good thing. Definitely want to keep an eye on everything with regards to documentation. We've got a lot. There's a lot that I've not read yet. There's a lot that I have read yet, where we do want to make sure that everything's up to date, everything's where it needs to be, and everything also ties together. The story of EFI is definitely a lot about the end-to-end. It's a solution that you need to bring. It's not a bunch of pieces, and that's also where the Ghent Workgroup wants to go and where I think I can contribute.